If your Jeep Wrangler's backup camera is showing a black screen or glitching, we can fix that in under 2 minutes. Nearly half of all backup camera failures on the JL platform are caused by simple loose connections at the tailgate. Let's walk through the diagnosis steps to find out if it's your hardware or your software. Start with a system reboot and a fuse check before you start taking the tailgate apart. The most common culprit is the harness connector behind the spare tire, which can vibrate loose over time. If you see a blue screen instead of black, the radio is working but the camera signal is missing. Most physical connection issues are DIY friendly, but software flashes require a trip to the dealership. While a simple harness reset is free, a full head unit replacement can cost upwards of $800. Always set your parking brake before testing the camera to ensure the vehicle doesn't roll. Grab a T25 Torx bit and some electrical contact cleaner to get the job done right. Remember that off-road vibrations often shake these connectors loose, so check the plug first. If these steps helped you get your view back, hit subscribe for more Jeep troubleshooting guides.